Alright, what's going on, guys? Time to bust Topps Finest Baseball, my second box. I had to get another one, really enjoyed the first one. Looking for a number checklist. Looking for a number 1 redemption after my number 2 last time. Yeehaw. Busted on the new webcam, of course, Microsoft 720p HD, so you can see my sexiness. Oh man. Alright, 2 mini boxes, 6 per box. I saw a few of these on eBay and people were saying they were getting them for $80. I'm guessing that's the pre-sale price, because even blowout cards that you can't get from in Australia have them for over 100, so bloody crazy. Gabino rookie. I'll give you a look at these guys. So that's your base. That's your base. I'm guessing refractor to $5.99. Matt Carson. Gabino Kuznitsky. Alright. The only problem with this webcam, I don't have the time to see how long I got to go, but I'll try and move fast. Gentry, Butler, Josh Beckett, Glugak, and then a blue refractor of Tulowitzki to $2.99. Any of the refractors are up for trade unless I get a Linscomb or something like that. Oi! Oh well. Drop that one. You don't want these guys. Michael Young, gold refractor number 250. Wow. The rest was all base, I'm guessing. Unless, yeah, all base. Which one do I think's the patch? None of those. If I had to guess, I'd say that one. If I had to guess. Next pack. Alright, so we've got Grady Sizemore, normal refractor to $5.99. Webcam doesn't get the refracting too good. GG Microsoft, not. Alright, got my redemption, and it's number 5. I wanted number 1 for, I think it's Jason Hayward is number 1. Berkman, Euclid, Gentry, Butler, and Pujols, blue refractor, $2.99. If you need it, let me know. Last pack of this mini. And it is the hits there. Carson, alright, let's try and Daniel McCutcheon, rookie auto. Numbered 21 of 106. Who knows, could be his jersey number, you just never know nowadays. But yeah, not too excited about that one. Not sure how I'm doing for time, but I'll rip through the other pack. Alright. 6 minis. I don't know if you saw it, but there was a guy who got a pack that just had the craziest, thickest pack. It was like, he only got 3 packs in this one pack, and it was just full of letter cards. I don't know how you get that, but book me in for it. Alright, so I got a Mariano Rivera, numbered 1 of 99 refractor. Obviously making that a 1 of 1, so feel free to hit me up with your hundreds of dollars on it. Alright, then we've got Pujols refractor to $5.99. $5.99. Ellsbury base. Alright, I think I located the special card in these. Richardson, so I got Kenny Morales to $5.99. Sorry Kenny, no one cares. Unless you're an Angels fan. Alright. Delugak. And then Everth Cabrera Blue Refractor, 206, 299. Second last pack. Baldo Jimenez. Oh! In the words of Stalgum, I've got my big MOJO hit, and it's a Derek Jeter 1 of 1 printing plate. Black printing plate. You know what that means, the real plate. Derek Jeter 1 of 1 printing plate. If anyone wants it, give me a shout out. It's definitely going up on eBay. Yeah, wow. Who'd think you'd ever get Jeter? Last pack, the patch pack. Alright, let's hope for a good one. Let's hope for the good one. Alright. Pedroia, Reynolds. Alright. Drew Stubbs. Sorry. No idea. Numbered 148, 217, but definitely the hit of the box. 101 Jeter. You have to love it. Alright. Thanks guys. Hope you like the new camera.